Hello, blooming dear kids, students, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowel combinations. Vowel combination here has been given. Sound of vowel E double E combination has been given. Double E means this is sound symbol. This is a now sound symbol of double E is pronounced as A, long sound here. Vowel sound long. Words have been given here. So these are the words. These are the words. These are the words. And sound symbol here has been given one by one, just by the side of each word. You may find here बगल में, हर शब्द के बगल में ये सिंबल दिया हुआ है साउंड. And just I am going to pronounce every word of the lesson, of the topic, of the unit. Okay, dear? Get ready, please. B double E, B, Madhumakhi. THR double E, 3, teen. B double ET, beat, Chikandar. F double ET, feet, charan, pair. N double EM, name, name. S double EM, same. Likely, W double EK, week, saptah. M double EK, make, vinamra. J double EP, jeep, jeep. K double EP, keep, rakhna. W double EP, weep, rona. SH double EP, sheep, bhed. Here you find vowel combination double E is to be pronounced as A, long. A, long sound, long vowel sound. Okay, dear, perhaps you might have learnt a lot how to pronounce these words correctly. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.